This video shows you how to replace the battery in your L-TWOO shifter switch. Press the shifter button to check the light. If it flashes green, the battery is good, no replacement needed. If there is no light, the battery is depleted, time to replace it. Use a L-TWOO battery to unscrew the battery cover counterclockwise. Then take out the old battery. Drop in the new L-TWOO, matching the correct polarity signs. Screw the cover back clockwise. Thank you for watching this video.